Hey everyone, how's it going today? Hopefully you guys are all having a great day. I know I'm having a pretty decent one. I mean, it's just been kind of, blah for crypto news and been having to dig around and try to find something that is basically going on in the market that's relevant for my channel. So I did come across some technical analysis for render, and this is a different analysis that I've seen, a different indicator that I have seen, and I thought it was actually pretty cool. And it actually really highlights the price movements of render pretty well. So we're going to jump into a price prediction and take a look at the price analysis that this analyst has provided as well. So let's jump into it in this video. Smash the like button like you guys normally do. Let me know down below. Are you holding render? Are you just kind of, waiting around to see what happens? Are you interested in picking it up? That kind of thing. Just let me know down below if you are a render holder. So we're going to take a look at this analysis here right quick. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well if you haven't already. But the render token has shown resilience and potential for growth, navigating between bullish and neutral trends. And what I notice on the chart, we're going to go over and just have a quick look at the chart here. We can see on the 7-day, we are in this consolidation zone. A lot of cryptos are actually having this on their chart as well. We're just kind of hovering around, and we're not really, making a whole lot of headway either up or down. Sitting at just around $10 and change, we are just kind of, chilling out here. So this analysis is going to provide insight into render price action on both the daily and the 4-hour time frame. So it's called the Ikamochu cloud and has been a pivotal support level for render. Currently, render maintains its position above the cloud, suggesting bullish momentum. I'm going to scroll down here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this here, right here, I'm going to explain what this is. So this is what they consider the cloud, and this right here is the main line. That's what they're going to call it, the baseline. Sorry. All right. So the cloud recently render maintains its position above the cloud, suggesting bullish momentum. If the price of render breaks below the red cloud, which is the bottom one, a breakout below this line would likely lead to further downward movement. The price should find support either at the exit of the cloud or at the 100-day EMA, which is in blue. And we can see that as this line right here. So comprehensive technical analysis tool is what this is. It's a comprehensive technical analysis tool that defines support and resistance, identifies trend direction, gauges momentum, and provides trading signals. So the baseline is the midpoint of the highest high and the lowest low over the past 26 periods, and it represents medium-term price movement and can indicate trend direction. So we can see this is a better view for you guys, so I'm not scrolling and such. But this is the baseline in red. And then we have our clouds here, the red cloud and a yellow or green cloud, whatever the color that one is. And this is the blue line that they mentioned here. So resistance levels are at about $10.25, which I mentioned we are very close to. We're sitting at just around 10 cents or $10 right now. The major resistance level is at $11.30. So breaking above this could lead to a significant price increase towards about $13.99. So that is what we're looking at achieving. So on the 4-hour chart, the most critical resistance level to monitor is the red baseline. A breakout above this line could trigger market momentum, potentially pushing the price to $10.60 or even $11. The 100-day EMA fluctuates around $10.25. That's that resistance level that we had talked about. So we can see it on here as well. So that's the $10.25. This would be another resistance there as well. So that is your key resistance. The next support level is at $9.22. So if we do dip down, which the market kind of seems like it could be going in that direction, we could see the $9.22 level hopefully hold. And but if it dips down below that, $8.89 is the next critical support level. And they should be monitored closely to prevent potential downside risks. So the flat baseline and the EMA lines do suggest a consolidation phase, and traders should be cautious and look for clear breakout or breakdown signals before making any significant moves, obviously, right? So that would go for, your intraday trade, your shorter term traders, your shorter to midterm traders. If you're looking at holding long term, just look for, pullbacks in the market, some significant, even like 15-20% pullbacks in the market. Those do happen. We do have those retracements and such. And that's when I typically like to add to my long term holdings. But if you are looking at, trading, render, or anything, this is very important for you guys, especially. So the shorter term price action kind of just shows some consolidation right now, and we could dip down a little bit further. But if we do get a little bit of a run up, we could go to the next resistance levels, like I mentioned. But we'll be waiting to see what happens there because right now, the overall cryptocurrency market's not supporting much of a run right now. Where I'm anticipating a little bit of a consolidation phase for the next little while, and we really have to wait and see what happens with inflation and things like that before the markets can kind of feel more free to kind of do its thing. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to give you a quick price update on Render. That's what's going on. And hopefully, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And have a great rest of your day. Peace.